Today I'm going to show you how I like to use one of my favorite Ere Perez products of all time, the Carrot Color Pots. Now I've got the shade Humble, which is a limited edition shade in a beautiful dolly pink, and it's perfect for adding a pop of color to the cheeks, lips and eyes. Now we love multi-purpose beauty products and this is one of the best, so I'll go ahead and show you how I like to use it. Now there's a few ways that you can apply the Carrot Color Pots. I like to first go in with my finger to warm up the product and then lightly tap it on my skin. Now you can continue to blend using the warmth from your fingertip for a really nice natural finish. Or you might like to take a damp bio or beauty sponge and lightly tap around the edges and top to fuse it into the skin for a really nice natural finish. Now the great thing about the Carrot Color Pots is that they are buildable, so if you want to build up the intensity of your blush, just apply some more product and then again go in with your damp bio or beauty sponge to create a nice natural finish. Now the other way you can apply the Carrot Color Pot is by using a multi-purpose brush. And this way you just go straight into the product and stipple it on and then lightly pounce it onto the cheeks, and the brush will help to blend it in and add that color to your complexion. Again, if you ever have any harsh lines, just go in with the damp bio or beauty sponge and just tap it back. In addition to using the Carrot Color Pot on the cheeks as a blush, you can also use it on the eyes as an eyeshadow and on the lips for a lip color. Now to apply it to the lips, you can either use a lip brush or again, you can just go straight in with your finger. So I just like to take a little bit onto the tip of my finger apply it just like I would any other gloss. You can add more to build up the color and the intensity. Smack the lips together and you have a beautiful pop of color on the lips. And the other way that you can use it is on the eyes. So again, I just like to take some on my fingertip and lightly tap it onto my eyelid to melt it into the skin and blend it out. Now I love using my fingertips to melt the Carrot Color Pot into the skin for a nice subtle wash of color. But if you prefer a more intense look or want a bolder color finish, then you can always go in and layer it up with a brush. For the eyes, you could go in with the Ere Perez concealer brush, or the dual side is a lip brush if you wanted to build up and intensify your lip color. Or alternatively, if you wanted to create a really cool graphic eye look, you could use a synthetic eyeliner brush and that'll just help create a really precise, clean finish. The Ere Perez Carrot Color Pots are available in a variety of shades to suit your complexion and your style. I personally am loving this limited edition shade Humble for a pretty pop of pink, but my next go-to color would be the shade Healthy, which is a more muted peachy tone.